Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Excel quiz. First, open a new Excel workbook and set up your quiz structure. You'll need columns for your questions, multiple choice options, and a designated spot for the correct answer. Using data validation for your answer choices will make the quiz interactive and user-friendly. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth quiz experience. Now, let's populate your quiz with content. Type each question into its respective cell. For each question, provide a few answer choices, perhaps 3 or 4, in the adjacent cells. It's important to accurately enter the correct answer in a separate column. This clear organization ensures your quiz functions correctly and is easy to manage. To make your quiz interactive, we'll add scoring. Use an IF function to compare the user's selected answer with the correct answer. If they match, assign 1 point. Sum these points to calculate the total score. This immediate feedback helps users understand their performance. You can even add conditional formatting for visual cues. Finally, let's refine your quiz for a polished look. Hide the column containing the correct answers to prevent peeking. Consider protecting your worksheet to avoid accidental edits during the quiz. For added convenience, you could even create a simple macro to reset the quiz, allowing users to take it multiple times. These steps enhance the overall user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.